Hi guys, this is Vijay and I hope you are doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss the working principle of clutch. Have you ever think what happen when you press a clutch pedal in a car? Why we need to press a clutch pedal before gear shifting in manual transmission car? In this video, you will get your all answer. So please guys watch this video completely till the end. The function of the clutch is to engage and disengage the driving shaft from the driven shaft. Here you can see the simplified diagram of a single plate clutch. The position of friction plate is held between the flywheel and the pressure plate. The friction plate is mounted on a hub which is splined from inside and is thus free to slide over the gearbox shaft. Friction facing is attached to the friction plate on both sides to provide two annular friction surfaces for the transmission of power. A pedal is provided to pull the pressure plate against the spring force whenever it is required to be disengaged. Ordinarily, it remains in engaged position. When the clutch pedal is pressed, the pressure plate is moved to the right hand side against the force of spring. This is achieved by simple suitable linkage and thrust bearing. With this movement of the pressure plate, the friction plate is released and the clutch is disengaged. In actual practice, the construction of the clutch is slightly different. The pressure plate, the springs, the release lever and cover form a sub-assembly called the cover assembly, which can be mounted directly to the engine block. Okay, this is the working principle of single plate clutch. In the free condition, the diaphragm spring is of conical shape, but when assembled it is constrained to an approximately flat condition, because of which it exerts a load upon the pressure plate. Here you can see the diaphragm spring type clutch. First image shows that the clutch is in engaged position and the second image shows that it is in disengaged position. In actual clutch, you can see a coil spring on the surface area of the clutch disc. What is the purpose of this coil spring? The function of this coil spring are used to smooth out the fluctuation and vibration from the engine power output. The engine power first reaches to the disc, then after it transferred to the spring and finally to the output hub. This means that the most of the vibrations and power fluctuation from the engine are absorbed by these springs and the motion transfer to the vehicle much smoother. Okay, this is the working principle of single plate clutch. I hope this content it will be helpful to you.